Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Dyson Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. Let's get started. So, first we have to turn them on with the button over there. It's the airflow button. Now, as you can see, they are now in pairing mode. So, we have to go into our control panel on our phone, go to Bluetooth, and now click pair new device. And now, as you can see, our headphones are there, right there, Dyson Zone. We just have to click on it and click pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.